Good morning, class family. It's a fantastic Friday. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date. October 18th, 2024. Dear class family, today is Friday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Next, we will do literacy centers. Then, we will know that plants and animals have needs. After that, we will identify nouns. Last, we will draw and write. It is a great day. Love, Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Okay, readers, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start at the top right-hand corner with today's date. I noticed the month is spelled with the capital letter O, then CT period. What does that abbreviation stand for? We'll say the name of the month out loud. If you said October, you're right. Great job. Notice the capital letter O to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. We also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, let's continue to reread from top to bottom and left to right. October 18th, 2024. Dear class family. After the greeting, I noticed a punctuation mark. It starts on a line and does a little curve. Do you know the name of this punctuation mark? If you said comma, you're right. Notice there are commas and other punctuation marks throughout our message. Commas are within the date after the number, after our greeting, transitional words and phrases, as well as at the very end of our message after the closing love. We also see periods at the end of telling sentences and statements, and even an exclamation point, also called an exclamation mark at the end. And when we have our question for today, you're going to see a question mark. Okay, readers, let's reread the first telling sentence. Today is Friday. It is Friday, and it's a fantastic Friday. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every single day, working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator by speaking clearly with our mouths and listening with our ears. That's what good communicators do. And each day at school, we are practicing being a strong listener. Remember, a strong listener uses their eyes for watching, ears for listening. Their mouth is silent and body is still and in one place. Are you being a strong listener in kindergarten? All right, class family, at this time, we're going to go through and discuss the sequence of events of what we're doing in language arts from beginning to end. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Oh, we will, just like we do every day at school and kindergarten. We will use so many resources to pump our brains with knowledge, including the alphabet chart. Shout out to Benchmark Advance. We'll be using your resources today in kindergarten as we review letters, sounds, pictures to match that letter, American Sign Language, and we're also supplementing with a U-Fly, learning how to shape our mouth for all of the consonant and vowels, the consonant and vowels of the alphabet. And you know it, class family, we're blending phonemes, doing dun-dun-dun-dun, phonemic awareness, tapping that beginning, middle, and ending sound and saying that whole word. It's going to be fantastic. What a great review. That's going to help us to become better readers and writers. Next, we will do literacy centers. We will, and you'll log on independently to your iPad for Lexia Core 5 reading program. We're also going to be writing letters when you write your name, draw pictures, write words, sentences, and numbers, and we're using the 5 pre-writing strokes. Let's review them together as we skywrite. Are you ready, kindergartners? Okay, up and around, touch, pull down, touch, push over, slant right, slant left. In addition to the 5 pre-writing strokes and Lexia, we'll also be doing some box centers within the classroom that have beginning sounds or ending sounds that we're trying to figure out. We're all going to be doing lowercase letter matchup on our trays, as well as reading books. It's going to be awesome. Then we will know that plants and animals have needs. They do. And we're going to be reviewing the needs that they have using nonfiction texts. Remember, nonfiction texts teach, inform, and explain real things. We're going to be looking back at the text, what do animals need? And we're going to be sharing our thinking about some things that plants and animals need. And we'll be figuring out some things that are similar and some things that are different. We'll also be using text features. Good readers use text features when reading nonfiction text to help them understand what's happening. So we'll be looking at the title, headings, captions, photographs, words in bold print, as well as diagrams and labels. Oh, so many things to help us become better readers. Oh, one of the things we're going to be looking at is animals need food and water. And we have some other things to check out, some nonfiction texts. Okay, after that, we will identify nouns. We will. And we'll figure out some special things about nouns. I'm so excited to share with you about a noun. Remember, a person, place, or thing. Let's go ahead and figure out some nouns and do some songs to help us as well in class, as well as Brain Pop Junior. And shout out to some YouTube channels, Jack Hartman's, Mr. B's, The Singing Walrus, The Learning Station, CBC Word Song, and let's do sight word dance today as well in kindergarten. Last, we will draw and write. We'll draw and write, and today you get to take your magazines home from Unit 1. So remember to put that in our blue folder so you can bring that home and keep it forever. It is a great day, Love Miss Joyner. It is. It's a fantastic Friday. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our question in our T-chart of yes or no answers is a do you like question. Do you like pumpkins? Well, do you? Think about your answer and get ready to share why. Do you like pumpkins?